Hi, I'm Mr. Worker.
Introducing the Wera Kraftform Compact VDE Tool Set. This meticulously crafted set is your ultimate companion for electrical work, featuring 14 VDE insulated interchangeable blades that reach deep into tight spaces. No job is too challenging. With the ergonomic Kraftform handle, enjoy superior grip and comfort during those long hours. Each tool is individually tested for safety up to 1,000 volts. Peace of mind while you work. And let's not forget the Knipex electrical installation pliers, combining 6 tools into one for unmatched versatility. Compact and organized in a sturdy belt pouch, this set is designed for professionals who demand quality and performance. Elevate your toolkit today.
Mr. Worker. Work tools for professionals.